Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Melon Playground mod that works on both iOS and Android, no matter where you are. This will let you unlock all the features, characters, and get unlimited coins, all without spending a cent. I'll break it down step by step so you can follow along easily. And the best part? It's fast, free, and works perfectly. First, I'll give you a quick look at the app to show that it's legit. It's already installed on my device, and I can add unlimited money as you can see. This is all thanks to the method I'm about to share with you. If you're using an iOS device, there are a few settings changes we need to make before you can download it. For Android users, no changes are necessary. Only iOS requires these adjustments. First, go into your battery settings and make sure low power mode is turned off. This step is crucial, as leaving it on can interfere with the installation. Once the app is installed, you can revert your settings back to normal, so no worries. It's just for the installation. Next, go into your general settings, find the background app refresh option, and ensure it's turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. It cannot be off, or it could mess up the installation. The process is straightforward from here. On your iOS or Android device, go to rizbuild.com. This site offers a variety of tweaked apps and games that you can download for free without the need for a jailbreak or any complicated procedures. Just go to the site's search bar, type in Melon Playground Mod, tap the green install button, and wait for it to load to 100%. If you're on iOS, once it reaches 100%, a prompt will appear asking if you want to download the configuration profile. Just tap Allow, and then go into your settings to find it. For Android users, the installation process is slightly different, and I'll explain that after the iOS instructions. In your iPhone settings, you should see a pop-up saying Profile Downloaded. Click on it and allow it to install. The app will then appear on your home screen as the full app. Before you can start using the app, you'll need to install 3 plugin files. You'll see a pop-up for this. These plugins are necessary for the app to function fully. Simply tap on each plugin, follow the instructions, and do exactly as it says. Once you've completed one, go back and do the remaining 2 to complete all 3. Some tasks are straightforward, like running an app for 30 seconds, while others may require completing a game level. Just make sure to follow the instructions carefully. If you see fewer than 3 plugins, just complete the ones available. The system will recognize this and still grant you access to the app, so don't worry. If your plugin files look different from mine, that's fine too. The options may vary depending on your location. Once you've completed the task for all 3 plugins, the app will fully load, and now you have access to the game and the mods. For Android users, instead of downloading an iOS profile, you'll automatically be taken to the final step page, and then the app will appear on your home screen. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.